Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me. Have you ever asked yourself, how can I accept Bitcoin payments without having a website or a company? What if I told you there is an app that allows you to get paid in Bitcoin for any service? Well, today I'm going to tell you about that app, and you can download it on your phone. So basically, with this app, your customer pays in fiat currency and you get paid in Bitcoin. The cool thing about it is that you don't need a website or a company. You can literally use it as a person. So maybe you work for a company and you want to get paid in Bitcoin, but your company doesn't allow it, or maybe you work as a freelancer and you're really not registered as a business. You don't have a company. This app will allow you to generate a wallet address and then share that with your clients so they can send you Bitcoin. Or maybe you run a small business and you want to be able to accept Bitcoin payments. You can do all of that with this app. The name of the app is BIPA. Now let's check out how this works. So here is the home page. You can install this app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And once you open the app, this is what you see. At the bottom, you have 4 options: wallet, trade, exchange, and more. On the top right, you have this lightning bolt icon which represents your notifications. Let's tap on that. And this is where you can connect your social media account so you can receive notifications on your phone whenever you receive a payment in Bitcoin. Pretty cool. Now let's go back to the home page. In order to start accepting Bitcoin payments, we need to go into the trading option at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on that, this is what you see. You have 2 options: receive payment and pay with BIP. For now, we are only interested in receive payment. So when you click on that, it will ask you to log in. You can log in with your Google account, or you can create an account directly in the app. So let's create the account. So you enter your username, email address, password, agree to their terms and conditions, and tap sign up. Then you need to verify your account through your email. Once you log in, this is what you see. You can see it says generate your Bitpix key. Now, what is this Bitpix key? Basically, this is your wallet address. You can copy this and paste anywhere you want. So if I go to my wallet app, for example, I can paste this in here. And this is now my wallet address. So any payment sent to this address will actually be sent to your wallet. Now, this is a unique address. Every time you generate a new one, it's different. So you need to make sure that you either write this down somewhere or copy it somewhere safe, so you do or lose it. If you lose it, won't be able to access the funds. Let's go back to the BIPA. On the right, you have the option to generate a QR code for this key. So when you click on that, it generates a QR code for you. So if anyone scans this QR code, it will automatically send them to your Bitcoin wallet. And you also have the option to copy this. So if someone wants to manually enter this into their app, they can do that. They can simply click on copy address and it will copy this. Next, you have the option to deposit funds. So this will allow you to deposit from another wallet into your current wallet. So let's say you have some Bitcoin in your main wallet and you want to transfer some of that into this wallet. You can do that. You can select the amount you want to transfer and click on transfer funds. Next, you have your transaction history. So every time you make a transaction, you will be able to see that here. And finally, you have the option to withdraw funds. So if you want to withdraw any funds from this wallet into your main wallet, you can do that as well. That's pretty much it. All you have to do now is to go out into the world and do some work and get paid in Bitcoin. Just remember that you need to generate a new key each time you want to receive a payment. Otherwise, everyone who knows your key will be able to send funds to your wallet. But how exactly can you use this? Well, this will really depend on your profession. So if you're a freelancer, you can use this key and share it with your clients so they can send you Bitcoin. Maybe you are a musician and you sell your songs online. You can use this key and put it in your profile so that anytime someone buys your song, you will be paid in Bitcoin. Maybe you own a restaurant or a small business. You can display this QR code in your restaurant or business so customers can scan that and pay you directly. Maybe you work for a company, but you want to get paid in Bitcoin instead of fiat currency. You can use this key and share it with your employer so they can pay you in Bitcoin. There are endless possibilities with this app. If you're a content creator and you're looking for ways to monetize your content, you might want to check out this video right up here where I talk about 5 apps that will pay you for watching videos, playing games, and more. And if you're new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you may want to check out this playlist right up here where I talk about everything from beginner basics to advanced topics. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help us grow. And consider subscribing. We have some really great content coming up. Also, if you want to support our work, you can join our membership program. With our membership program, you can support us direct. That helps us create even more great content for you. You can also check out our page where you can buy our merchandise. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to invest your Bitcoin and earn up to 12% interest. You can watch that video here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.